With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given, in a container containing gas A at temperature 400 Kelvin, some more gas A at temperature same 400 Kelvin is introduced. The pressure of the system increases. And the reason is that increase in gaseous particle increases the number of collision among the molecules. Now let's see whether this is correct or false. So the first statement says that there has been an addition of some more gas A at the same temperature. So we know very well that by ideal gas equation we know that P is equals to nRT by V, right? We know this, that P is equals to nRT by V. Now you know that volume here is constant because it is the same container in which the gas is getting added. So the volume is constant here. Temperature is also constant because at the same temperature the gas is getting added. So what is varying? You can see very well that R is also constant. So this whole term, this RT by V is a constant term. What is varying? Number of moles, because number of moles, when some more gas is added, the number of moles of that gas is increasing. So you can say P is directly proportional to number of moles at constant temperature and volume, right? This is very important. Now you can see if P is directly proportional to the number of moles, then if number of moles of gas increases, if number of moles of gas A increases, then pressure also increases, right? And that is what given in the question statement 1, that in a container containing gas at A, some more gas A at temperature 400 Kelvin is introduced, the pressure of the system increases. Yes, this is the true statement. We have just now seen that how the pressure is increasing when we are adding some more number of moles of gas A, so the pressure also increases. Now let's see, the second statement says, that is the reason statement, that increase in gaseous particle increases the number of collisions among the molecules. So if number of moles of A, gas A increases, it means that gaseous particles also increases. Gaseous particles also increases. And if the gaseous particles increases, then the collision between the gas molecules will increase. Yes, because if more number of gaseous particles will be present, then the collision between the gas molecule increases. Now if the collision between the gas molecule increases, then you can say that increase in gaseous particle, yes, there has been increase in gaseous particle because the number of moles of gas is increases the number of collision among the molecules. Yes, the number of collision among the molecules increases because the gaseous particles has increased. So you will say that the second statement is true. But now what is your aim is to check whether statement 2 is the correct reason for statement 1 or the correct explanation for this statement. That is, reason is correct for the assertion, that we need to check. Statement 2 is true, but what happens? Increase in pressure is due to increase in pressure is due to collision between molecules and wall, between the particle and wall, or you can say molecule and wall. So the collision between the molecule and the wall of the container, that causes an increase in pressure, not with the collision between the two different molecules. So definitely the collision between the molecule and the wall of the container is responsible for increase in pressure, because when pressure increases, then the collision between walls and particles are responsible. So definitely it is not the correct reason. But the statement is correct that number of collision among molecule increases, but this statement does not satisfy the above statement that pressure of the system also increases. So pressure of the system increases in case of collision between molecule and wall. This is the reason for statement 1, right? Statement 1. So what you will say? that statement 1 is true, statement 2 is also true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1, right? This statement is true, but it is not the correct explanation. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So we will select that option 2 is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.